everybody. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pinterest business from the very beginning, right from creating your business account, setting up your profile, understanding analytics, making pins, uploading idea pins, scheduling content, connecting websites, and everything you need to know to grow on Pinterest using your laptop. So if you're a beginner and want to use Pinterest for business, marketing, or growing your brand, this video is for you. Make sure you watch till the end because I'll show you every feature step by step. Before we start, let's understand what Pinterest business actually means. Pinterest business is a professional version of Pinterest. It helps creators, brand, small business owners, and influencers grow reach through visuals. You can upload pins, idea pins, videos, product images, blog links, website content. A business account gives you professional tools like Pinterest Analytics, Pin Performance Insights, Audience Insights, Pinterest Trends, Ad Tool, Website Claim, and Verification. And you do not need to pay. It's completely free. So let's start with creating a Pinterest business account. So on your laptop, you need to go to pinterest.com. On the top here, we can see there's a search bar. Type down pinterest.com, select enter. And in the top right corner, we can see the sign up option here. Select the sign up. You simply type down your email and you can create a password, and after that also select your birthday dates over here, and after you're done you can continue. But if you want to continue with Google, it will automatically sign in without needing your password or anything, as I'm going to select continue with Google. But if you are already a member, you can simply log in by selecting this login options and providing with credentials as well. As I'm going to continue with Google, select here and select the account that you are going to sign in up. Select continue. You are required to type down your birthday date. After you choose your birthday, select create account, select continue after you're done. So you are required to select the basic information that Pinterest will ask you, as your identity as well. Simply click your identity and click which language you prefer to. Select continue after you're done. You can also pick your aesthetics from by simply clicking on the aesthetics of these pictures on the screen here. You are required to pick at least 3, or you can also pick other more. And after you're done, select continue to your feed. So here we just sign up to Pinterest. So now next is to complete your business profile professionally, and after that in the top right corner again here there is this icon. Select that and you can select convert to business here. So you can upgrade to a free business account. What you can do is simply select that on the bottom, select from create here. So now you are required to describe your business. You can select on this circle either it's online merchant or marketplace, consumer goods, services provider, content creator, and any other options on the screen. Or if option does not matches to your business, you can select other here and select next. Here you are also required to type down your business name and your country or region. If you belong to any of the country here, select this option and click simply to the country that you belong to, and also your website. And if you do not have a website, you can select I do not have a website. But if you do have a website, you are required to copy the link over here, and after you're done, select to the next option. You are also required to type down what are your business goals. Here you can simply select to this option and it will automatically show you enough reasons. So you can select from here as well, or you can simply type down, select the basic information, few more details for your business here, and after you're done, go to the done in the bottom right. So here Pinterest will ask you where would you like to start. You can select the share ideas, or you can also select showcase your brand, and after you're done, select to the next. So here you are required to put your brand name or niche. Example, you can type down your name Doko here, or you can simply type down your business name and also write about yourself, tell your story, write 2 or 3 lines about what your account provides, and your pronouns. You can simply select by tapping in this bar and select this option. Select your website link, your username, your email address as well, and you are required to choose your country code. Select your phone number. You are also required to select this all the retail locations, your address line 2, and which city you belong to. You can also provide your state, province or region, your postal code, and your country here. And after you're done, you can save it on the bottom. Here the profile has just been saved. Steps helps Pinterest trust your content. And if you have a website, you can go to the setting in the top right corner here. We can see this option. Select that and go to the setting here, and you can simply paste your website and you'll get a code to paste on your website. And after the verification, Pinterest will tag your site on pins. And it also helps with SEO, search engine optimization, and the reach. And if you do not have a website, we can skip this step. Understanding the Pinterest homepage. Now let me explain the dashboard so you do not get confused. And on the left sidebar, you'll see this home feed. Pins based on your interest. You can search any topic here on the top right on this search icon here by simply clicking into this. And you can search any topic. You can also create, upload pins and idea pins. You can also upload pins and idea pins by selecting home feed over here. And after that, you can select this content creations. You can select this create pin. And over here, you can simply choose a file or drag and drop it here. After you select this here, choose one of the pins from your library here. You can also add a title so that audience can get a pin that they prefer. And you can type down the description, what is the business is about, or you can simply add a link if you want any of your business link or your website link. You can also choose a board by simply selecting a board here by selecting create a board, and where places you want to go or the recipes you want to make by selecting your name on the title. And after you're done, select to this square box and select create. And if you want to publish the pin later, you can toggle on this button, but if you want to prefer to publish it right now, simply toggle off this option as well. And if you want to see more options, select the more options. And people can shop products similar to what's shown in this pin using visual search. Shopping recommendations are not available for idea ads, and pins with tagged products or paid partnerships label. If you want to describe your pin's visual details, anything the audience will get traction towards your pin, so describe it here. And after you're done, select publish in the top right corner here, and now it is publishing. You just uploaded the first pin in your business account of Pinterest. And you can also check your analytics. You can check your performance, ads, run promotions, and in just you can go to the home feed in the top. Here you can find all of this option: analytics, overview, audience insights, conversion insights, Pinterest trends. Here you could find all of the trends that people are searching for it. By simply selecting this Pinterest trends here, you could see all of the audience who are interested in these pins will get over into this dashboard. Here we could see on the top right corner, there's this option for the messages on this bar icon. Select this. And here you'll find all of the messages and notifications of your friends or the audience as well. And in the top right corner in your profile, select that and you'll find all of the boards and pins that you have saved or recently created. First, I'll teach you how to create boards. So before posting pins, you need boards. So you can go to your profile by selecting in this icon to your profile. So here you can select create. So name it according to your niche, like daily skincare tips or recipes. You can also choose visibility. You can select to the public or secret by just selecting to this square icon, so only you and collaborators can see it. But if you do not want that everybody to see it, simply skip by clicking into that square option here. And after you're done, you can select create. If you want other more pins to your new board, you can select this by clicking into this photos here, and after you're done, select to the done on the bottom. Boards help Pinterest understand your niche and show your pins to the right people. I'm also going to teach you how to create idea pins. Idea pins are like Instagram reels for Pinterest. They get huge reach. So you can select create idea pin on the bottom plus icon here. Select pin. You can upload multiple images or videos by simply clicking in this icon here. Select from your library. You can upload multiple images or videos. You can also add text overlays here. You can add stickers, music or voiceover. You can also add a title here. You can select the board. You can type down your description. If you want to add a link, you can also paste your link here. If you want to put any of the board names, you can select this option and type down your board. And after you're done, after that, select to the more options on the bottom here. If you want to add more text, you want to describe your pin's visual details, type down everything about the visual of your pin. And after you're done, select to the publish in the bottom and in the top right corner here. Idea pins cannot have links, but they increase your follower growth very fast. I'm also going to teach you, and the next step is how to schedule pins. If you want to post later, you can simply schedule your, and in the bottom here we can see this option publish at a later date. Toggle on this icon here and you can simply choose a date by selecting your date when you want the pin to be visited by the audience and the time as well. And after you're done, select schedule in the top right corner here, and that is it. The next is Pinterest SEO. Pinterest works like a search engine, so SEO is important. pin, and do this for every pin. You can use keyword rich titles, add keywords in descriptions here, use hashtags, at least 1 or 3 max, and create pins based on trending keywords. Use Pinterest trends to find what's popular. Better SEO means more views and more followers. To do that, go to your pin, go to your home feed here, go to the Pinterest trends over here. You'll find all of the trending in the spotlights. And the next step is understanding analytics. Pinterest Business gives powerful analytics. You can go to analytics and stop here, Pinterest select that, and go to the analytics overview. You can here find all the impressions, how you saw your pin, how people saved it to their board, outbounds click, people click your link, total interactions, how many visited to your profile. You can use analytics to understand what type of pins your audience like. And the next step is Pinterest ads. If you want faster growth or want to promote a product, you can run ads. Simply go to the same process here, analytics overview, go to the create pin for ad. Here you can create an ad by dragging or by uploading your photos, adding your title, and you can also tell everyone what your pin is about. Simply a description about your pin. You can also add a link. You can also add a destination link so that people will find your product. If you want more text, you can select this add text here. And if you want to immediately publish this, you can select this icon on the circle here. But if you do not want to publish it here, if you want to put it on schedule, select this option, publish at a later date. And after you clicking in the circle, you'll get into this interface. Here you can simply select your date, on which date you want your pins to be seen by the audience, and after you're done, select the publish, and that is it. This is a complete beginner guide on how to use Pinterest Business on your laptop. You know how to set up your account, make boards, upload pins, create ITS pins, use SEO, schedule posts, and track analytics. This tutorial helped you. Make sure to like the video, comment your questions, and subscribe for more how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.